beside her and guide her through the night with a light from above, from the mountains to the prairies, to the oceans white with foam. God bless America, my home, sweet God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with a light from above, from the mountains to the prairies, to the oceans white with foam. Bless America, my home, sweet home. From the mountains to the prairies, to the oceans white with God bless America, my home, sweet home.
If tomorrow all the things were gone I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife, I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA, where there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say that defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the
need to, if you can scoot up as much as, there's a whole bunch of students that are coming. We're going to have this whole auditorium filled. So if you want to sit with students, that's fine. But back here, if you do not want to sit with students, you can move up on the But let me see that stage. And I'm kind of stalling, waiting on my assistant, because she wanted to hear this. But what I'm going to do is go over the program with you all, because you're participants, and I want you to know, I want you all to kind of have a roadmap of what's happening, so you can be sitting wondering what's going to happen next. So let's go over that. First thing though is, if you have cell phones, would you put them to vibrate or silent or off? Right now would be a good thing to do, since this is a court proceeding. Try to take my own rules there. Turn that off. I think we're going to go off during the program. Where's Stacy? I think I may go forward without Stacy, and apologize. Okay, first of all, you'll notice open court. I'm going to go over here, gavel in the judges. The judges will come to the center table. I'll ask everybody to rise and gavel in. Everybody will be standing. And then they're going to stand and have a color guard that comes and close to the flag. Then the choir will come over here and sing. Judge Holmes will talk. Then she's going to ask the judge to accept your all's petition for citizenship. The judges will grant that petition. And Judge Wilson will ask you all to rise and raise your right hand. See that oath of allegiance? Okay, oath of allegiance is on the back. He's going to ask you to say it back. So he's going to do it one line at a time. I hereby declare on oath. You're kind of like strict about that. Now, if you have an issue with swearing, a religious objection, you may say, I agree, I promise, I affirm. However you want to say it, you do not have to swear an oath if that's a religious objection. Under our laws, you do not have to violate your religious objection. So that's fine. So when he asks you to say, so help me God, you can say, so swear, I so agree. After that, we have a student that will come up, and for the first time as citizens, we will pledge allegiance. And the flag will be over here, and traditionally we put our hand over our heart. We'll rise, and what you're going to do is you're going to do kind of the opposite. You're not going to go out there, you're going to come down here. So like this. Okay, you're going to walk here. You can walk if you want. You're going to come up to this second one here. They're here, I saw them earlier. Well, that's all right. You all want to register to vote?
Post. Right. Face. Forward. Work. Now, please proceed.
Make this whole ceremony work. Phil Lombardi, our court clerk. Stacy Turner, deputy clerk. Brenda Schwartz, citizenship and immigration officer. Rita Brokshoulder, citizenship and immigration officer. Sandra Minardi, who represents Congressman Bridenstine's office. The Bartlesville chapter of the Daughters of the American Revolution. Lieutenant Colonel R.G. Trimble and John Campbell, the Sons of the American Revolution. Barbara Van Hanken, Lynn Robertson, and Jerry Robertson, the legal.
I would like to now introduce Principal James Burton.
Good morning, and welcome to Booker T. Washington High School. I am very pleased to share some important facts about our school this morning. We are a magnet school where all students make applications to attend. Booker T. Washington is on the forefront of academic trends as the first public school to offer advanced placement courses and the only high school in the state of Oklahoma to offer the International Baccalaureate. We are also one of 2 high schools in Oklahoma to offer the middle years program. With the International Baccalaureate program and Advanced Placement program, our school attracts students who thrive in a challenging environment. 2013 marked 100 years for our school and 40 years as a magnet school. And please enjoy the rest of your day in a school that welcomes you here. Thank you, and congratulations to you again. Thank you.
I'd like to introduce now the Booker T. Washington Honor Girls Choir for musical selection.
receiving some of those questions directly from students. So I'm going to try to put on my history hat at the risk of embarrassing myself in front of Mr. Waldron and Ms. Thomas. If I make a few mistakes here, please forgive me. And try to address some of the more factual questions that these students ask. And then I'll have a few remarks, and then we will turn it over to Cheyenne Carlton. The first question was asked is, what are the criteria that allow an immigrant to petition for American citizenship, and how are these criteria established? Is the language, ethnicity, background requirement? The criteria is established by Congress in the Immigration and Nationality Act. Generally, you must be a permanent resident for 5 years, and you must be able to read, write, and understand English. There is no ethnicity requirement, and your background is definitely considered in the process. The steps that one generally goes through, and this process takes anywhere from a little over 4 years to 7, 8, 9 years, depending upon what your status is before you start the process. But it includes, I think, quite a bit of paperwork, fingerprinting, an interview, an exam, and as each of you will hear today, an oath of allegiance. And I encourage all the students here, really everyone here, to really listen to that oath, because it's not a simple oath. It's not an oath that should be taken lightly. It's a very serious oath, and if you listen to the words, I think you'll realize the commitment that these new citizens are making to our country. Someone asked how many people are naturalized every year in Oklahoma. I think the number's somewhere around 2,500, somewhere between 2,000, 2,500. How extensively are the applicants' backgrounds searched during the naturalization process? As I mentioned earlier, fairly extensively. If you've been convicted of a crime or a felony, it's unlikely that you're going to make it through the process. If you are a naturalized citizen, does every person in your family have to go through the citizenship process? Generally, the answer to that question is yes. It's not always the case. If you are a minor and your parents become U.S. citizens, there are, as with everything, some exceptions.
People's Republic of China. Colombia. Dominica. Honduras. India. Jordan. Lebanon. Mexico. Nigeria. Peru.
All allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state, or sovereignty of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Murray Gills will now lead us in the Star Spangled Judge Holmes and I are now going to come down to the well of court for presentation.
Yi Hong Kai. Rocio Salazar Rodriguez. Roxana Velasco de Villanueva. Rogelio Ayala. Javier Luis Juanos Villarreal. Justin Bernard Nation. Maricela Sandoval. Lani Gabriel Duncan. Delfina Mesa de Leon. Juan Lam Tang. Mati Moon. Sid Sian Nim.
Fica pronta.
The judges will remain for pictures. Court is adjourned.
He just climbed the water back and forth from the steps.
Bên thấy điện rồi.
Thank you.
Ôi ba chiêu. Qua cái tiếng. Có cái thì ta mà nói được không? Bắn lên chưa?
Bắn leo đâu rồi?
Khối bao chân phải không?
Cái này này, rất cái này là
cái này hiện nào?
Lắm mà tất cả những tàu nghe lùng nằm mà mày
gì